Hi and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Fiona and I'm a digital merchandiser here at Blackburn. We're really proud to be part of the Swansway Group, which is a family-owned business, and today I'm really excited to give you a tour of this stunning brand new S3 Sportback Quattro finished in the really nice Ibis White solid paint, one of my favourite colours in this car, making it look really sporty. Starting at the front, you can see we've got the LED headlights, as well as the headlight washer jets just below to make sure you have maximum visibility at all times. We've also got the stunning upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels, really adding to the sporty styling of this hatchback. We also have the contrast chrome door mirrors, as well as the privacy glass in the rear and rear side windows. The lights in the back are also LED with the dynamic indicators. And of course, we've got the rear parking sensors just to make parking as easy as possible for you in this S3. And moving on to the storage space, you can see, especially for such a small hatchback, we've got a really spacious boot. So it is really good if you do plan on going on a lot of shopping trips or want to carry any luggage at all. We also have the S-Sport suspension, really adding to the driver's experience. And this car does come with 3 years warranty, including things like MOT cover and key cover. Moving on to the interior, we have the stunning Super Sport front seats with the S embossed logo and contrast white stitching, fully leather. It also comes with the inlays with the Quattro detailing on the front, as this car is a 4-wheel drive system, amazing for all weathers and all roads. This surrounds the fully touchscreen MMI screen. This includes the satellite navigation, amazing if you do travel a lot, it's really easy to navigate. We also have the telephone Bluetooth Connect, as well as the external media player and DAB digital radio for your entertainment. We can't forget Audi Drive Select, which allows the driver to put the car into any mode they would like. For example, dynamic for a sportier drive, or efficiency if you're going on a longer drive and want to save some fuel. This car also comes with the extra ambient lighting package. The driver can choose from a various amount of colours. This includes blues, oranges and reds, and you can change the intensity of the light for however you want the mood of the car. And moving on, just below, we have the electronic dual zone climate control, and we also have the heated seats, just another added luxury to this car. As you can see, we've got the USB-C slots, just in case you do want to charge your phone on the go, as well as the keyless go S-Tronic gearbox and electromechanical parking brake. Moving on to the driver's side, we have the amazing virtual cockpit, some amazing technology there, as well as the sat-nav telephone and radio display, all controlled by the multifunctional flat-bottom steering wheel. Here we have cruise control, making this S3 an absolute dream for long motorway drives, as well as the gear shift paddles if you do want to be more in control of your automatic lights, as well as the electric door mirror controls. We also have the SOS button if you do need any roadside assistance at all, so it's just on the roof there, really accessible for you. So if you are interested, we have some amazing offers on at the minute, so please call 012 54 668 777.